just wanted to do a video demonstrating how you can take this technique to another level and make it a bit more realistic. I think that looks fantastic, it really does, and when it's on a roof it creates the perfect effect of barrel tiles. But anyone who's ever seen barrel tile roofs knows the tiles are not in sheets, they are individual, and they also have a conical shape to them, like that. Now, obviously it's not rocket science, or brain surgery, or whatever you want to say, but breaking the tiles out individually is really easy. They snap down the line nice and easily, and then simply just shape them. Just take the scissors and just shape them to the conical traditional shape. I appreciate for some people this will be a tedious, a step into tedium too far probably, but it can't be understated how much more realistic the effect is when you do things like this. This is how the tiles are in reality, and it just adds to the effect. You can layer them. You can layer them in the realistic fashion. You know, that's how they are in real life. They're double layered.